Let's get started with VIBES Knowledge Hub. First things first, you need to create an account. Two-factor authentication is required to comply with the GDPR. Congratulations! You are ready to get started. Use the menu bar at the top of your screen to navigate through the platform. Go to the Software Trainings tab in the menu bar and explore your first training module. For example, click on the DRAC course to get started. Are you not a customer yet? Request access to the content. We will evaluate your request and approve it manually, so please be patient. As a software user, you can enroll directly. Put in your request and you will get direct access to the course. Once enrolled, the course will open in viewer mode. Make sure to read the content, highlight any text you want, and add notes as you go. Don't forget to challenge yourself by putting into practice what you've learned. Use the DIY sections at the end of each course and check your answers by opening the blue boxes. When you are ready, scroll down to the exam chapter in the chapter overview on the left to test your knowledge. Do you need a break? No problem. Your progress is automatically saved. Log in again to go to the homepage and hit continue to resume the course you want. Are you having any issues? Or do you have any questions? Contact us at support@VIBES.technology.com through the support button. You can take it from here. Log in to read, learn, and level up.